Righty then. Here we go. So it's that time of year again. Parent-teacher conferences, virtual edition. Here we go. So you're going to learn how to use PTC Fast integrated with Google Meet via calendar. Ooh, sounds snazzy. All right. So what you're going to do, okay, first step is go to your calendar. What we're going to end up doing is making one Google Meet link, and we're going to turn quick access off, and then that way we can control who is entering into our Meet one at a time, right? It's easier instead of creating 50 different Google Meet links. Here we go. So go to the day of the conference, click anywhere in the white space or blank space, all right? Add your title. We'll call it PC Conferences, right? All right, so none of this matters. The only thing that matters is this. Add Google Meet video conferencing. Click on that, and then click on the link. And what that displays is your meeting ID, your Meet link, which they join, and they could see you via video. Or if they don't have internet access, they can click on the phone number, right? So we created the Meet link in Calendar just now. Simple as that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to PTC Fast, right? Once you sign in, you're going to click Emails. While you are, this is the email that's going to be sent to them, right? So this is how they are going to refer back to see what the Google Meet or the phone number is in order to actually join the Google Meet conference, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to name the conference. We'll just name it Deckers for now, all right? Now, right here is where you're going to put the Meet link, okay? And down here is where you're going to put the phone number. So we're going to go back to the calendar, right? And we're going to highlight this, right-click copy, back to PTC, right-click, or left-click, right? And type in, go here on time/date of conference, right? And then you're going to right-click and paste, right? So in the email, this will show up. Down here is where you're going to put the phone number. In your calendar, right here is the phone number and PIN that they were going to put in. So you're just going to highlight it. Don't highlight the plus sign. Just highlight the number starting with 1 and the PIN. Right-click, copy. Go back to PTC. Left-click, right-click, paste. Okay? And then down here, you can add another sentence if you want. This and this. Down here, if a parent hits reply, click on it and click account holder. That way, if the reply, it goes to you. And then you hit submit my choices, okay? So that's setting up the Meet link. Now, on the night of the conference, right, you're going to go back to your calendar, okay? You're going to click on the actual event, and you're going to click Join with Google Meet, okay? Now, you're going to click Join. This is the most important part. Down here in the bottom right, where it says host controls, you're going to click on that, scroll down, and turn this off. The reason you turn it off is that you monitor who comes in or not. I'm going to show you what that looks like. All right. Now, if I am a parent, right, and I decide to go to the conference and I click on the link that you just sent me, okay, it's going to look like this. Bam. It's going to say ask to join. Ready to join? Ask to join. All right, so they're going to click on ask to join. It's not joining, it's asking to join. Now, okay, on your end, it's going to look like this. Someone wants to join this call. You're either going to deny or admit based on if it's the correct time or not, right? So they're in a virtual waiting room in a sense, right? All right. Magical stuff. All right, if you have any questions, contact me or Melissa. Have a great day.